Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 8 at Galaxy Unpacked 2026, and this is the biggest redesign we've seen in years. Instead of making another taller foldable, Samsung has completely reimagined the design with a wider, more tablet-friendly form factor. Here are the 10 biggest things you need to know before buying the Galaxy Z Fold 8. 1. Brand new design. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 features an all-new design with a wider body and a 4:3 inner display. Instead of the narrow phone shape from previous generations, this one feels much more like a compact tablet when opened. The wider cover display is also easier to use for texting, browsing, and everyday tasks without opening the phone. Many early reviewers are calling this Samsung's most practical foldable design yet. 2. Excellent displays. Samsung includes a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display with a resolution of 1848x2448, adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, and improved outdoor visibility. The 5.5-inch cover display is also much wider and easier to use than previous Fold models. Samsung's improved anti-reflective coating helps reduce glare, making outdoor viewing much more comfortable. 3. Improved hinge and smaller crease. Samsung introduces its new Flex titanium display structure. The phone opens flatter than before, the hinge feels smoother, and the crease is significantly less noticeable than previous Galaxy Fold devices. While the crease hasn't disappeared completely, it's one of the smallest Samsung has ever produced. 4. Lightest Galaxy Fold ever. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 weighs only 201 grams. It's just 4.5 mm thick when unfolded and 9.7 mm when folded. Despite the larger footprint, it actually feels lighter and easier to hold thanks to its balanced shape and redesigned edges. 5. Flagship performance. Powering the Fold 8 is the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. It delivers flagship performance for gaming, multitasking, AI processing, and video editing. Most models come with 12 GB RAM, while the 1 TB version includes 16 GB RAM. Samsung has also improved cooling, helping maintain performance during heavy workloads. 6. Better battery life. Samsung finally upgrades the battery to 4800 mAh. It supports 145W wired charging, 220W wireless charging. Samsung claims up to 26 hours of video playback, making this one of the longest-lasting Galaxy Fold phones yet. 7. Cameras. This is probably the biggest compromise. The Fold 8 features 50 megapixels main camera, 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera. Unlike the Fold 8 Ultra, there's no dedicated telephoto lens. Photos in daylight look excellent, but if zoom photography is important, the Ultra model is the better choice. 8. One UI 9 and Galaxy AI. The Fold 8 launches with One UI 9 based on Android 17. Samsung promises 7 years of Android OS and security updates. Galaxy AI now offers smarter multitasking, contextual suggestions, improved writing tools, and productivity features that take advantage of the wider display. 9. Price. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 starts at approximately $1,899, 256 GB. That's roughly $200 cheaper than the Fold 8 Ultra, making it a better value for most buyers. 10. Should you buy it? If you want Samsung's most comfortable, lightweight, and practical foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is an excellent choice. You get new wider design, better multitasking, improved battery life, much lighter weight, reduced display crease, flagship Snapdragon performance. However, if photography is your priority and you want the absolute best camera system, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is still the better option. Final verdict. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 feels like the biggest leap Samsung has made in its foldable lineup in years. The wider design makes it more practical, the hinge is improved, The crease is much less noticeable, battery life is better, and performance is flagship level. It isn't perfect. The missing telephoto camera may disappoint some users. But for most people, this is the best balanced Galaxy Fold Samsung has ever built. If you're looking for the best everyday foldable of 2026, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 deserves to be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.